Python programming, multi-level conditional statement. Remember, the last lesson we dealt with a simple conditional statement. If else, that is, if this is true, do this, else you do that. That either or option. Now, not only in either or, only we have two options. Maybe there are more than two options maybe there. So this is called the multi-level conditional statement. So we will be studying that and we will write Python programs. For example, some of the multi-level conditional statement structures are two numbers are given. They may be equal, or if they are equal, you say they are equal. Otherwise, you find the maximum number or a smaller number. So that is the first. Then, for example, you have a student, and student is here. We need to find out whether the person has got obtained distinction, first class, second class. There are many options here. So, a very good example for multi-level statement. And the third one is calculating income tax. We have got different brackets. So if, for example, if basic pay is less than equal to 10,000, certain percentage is charged. If it is between 10,000 and 20,000, the income tax will be maybe 20% or so. Or if it is more than 20,000, maybe 25%. So we shall work all these problems and then understand the multi-level conditional statement. So here we have the conditional statement, that is pseudocode for that. So this we have dealt with this. If this relational statement is true, do this, else you do that. These are the pseudocode formulations. That is the either or case, even or odd, bigger or smaller. Now we come to the next option, multi-level. If this is true, you do this statement. Else, if this is true, you do this statement, or this statement. So these are three options are here. This one, or this one. So three or more options may be there. So bigger, equal, or smaller. So these are pseudocode statements. We will convert these into first flowchart, and then we shall work on Python program. So write flowchart and Python program to enter two numbers and indicate whether they are equal, or if not equal, you display the largest number. Yeah. So flowchart. So we start with, for example, two numbers, assign 42A and 22B. And then I ask this question, if A equal to B, EQ is the relational operator. So if A equal to B, immediately I say yes. Therefore, print this statement, A is equal to B. So of course, in your Python program, the value should appear. So then, or else, so if it is equal, it is here. Otherwise, now one of them may be larger. So you ask this question, if A is greater than B, then you say yes. Therefore, you print saying that A is greater than B. Otherwise, else, that is no. That means this is A is less than B, or B is greater than A. So this is the flow chart to find out whether these two numbers are equal, or to display the largest number. So now let us convert this into the Python program. So I input two numbers. First, I capture it in X. Second number, I capture it in Y. As you remember, we do this conversion of the text to integer numbers. Then I ask if X is equal. This is the relation operator for equal, two equal signs, equal. Then colon. Then you print. There is some mistake there. Print only. So both numbers are equal. Elif here. Now in Python we are asking elif instead of else if in C. So we have to say elif. So then if elif x is greater than y, you print that x is greater than y, as we have done by the earlier example, or print y is greater than x. For example, I'm entering 40 and another number also is 40. So both numbers are equal. So both numbers are equal. Then I'm entering 40. This next number is 10. So 40 is greater than 10. So then I say, or 40 is the largest number. Then enter 20 and 70. So 70 is greater than 20. So this is how we use multi-level checking of condition, multi-level conditional statement. Thank you.